Dear students, today we will discuss and study about the differential equation. It is one of the most important branch of the mathematics which use which uses in almost every branch of the mathematics. Let us consider that a function y is equal to fx. X is free or independent variable. Since y depends on x, so y is dependent variable. So one independent variable here. By method of differentiation, we can differentiate y with respect to x. First differential dy by dx. Second differentiation of y with respect to x, d square y upon dx square and so on. We can find successive differentiations. Very important here, d by dx, d2 upon dx square, d cube upon dx cube are known as a differential operators. Now, what is a differential equation? Equations involving differential operators is called differential equation or ordinary differential equations. Let us example d square y upon dx square plus 2xy is equal to sine of x. dy by dx plus x square y equal to 0 and others. These are the few examples of the differential equation because these equations have second order differential operator, first order differential operator. Now, what is degree and order of a differential equation? It is the most important concept by which we can get solution of the differential equations. So what is degree and what is order? First of all, we will define orders. In a differential equation, highest order of derivative in the equation is known as a order of the differential equation. वो जिस इक्वेशन में सबसे ज़्यादा ऑर्डर का डिफरेंशियल ऑपरेटर है वही उस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का ऑर्डर होगा. सपोज एग्जांपल x plus dy by dx plus x y square equal to 2. Here d by dx is the differential order. It is the highest order of differential operators. So its order is 1. Second, d2y upon dx square plus x dy by dx plus 2xy is equal to 5. Here differential operator d by dx, first order, d2 upon dx square, second order. So highest order is 2. So we can say 2 is the order of the differential equation. Now, how can we define degree of the differential equation? To find the degree of the differential equation, we check the highest order derivative term, then its maximum power, then its degree is said to be degree of the differential equation. Suppose we have one example here, d2y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx whole square plus axy equal to 2. Here dy by dx whole square, first order operator, d2 upon dx square second order. So first of all, we find the highest order derivative, that is 2. Then what is the degree of this term? 1. So its degree is 1. Hence, we can find the degrees and order of the differential equations by the explained techniques. For find the degrees and order of the following example. These are the examples. You find degrees and orders of the difference equation. Now, what is a LDE? Linear differential equation, or in Hindi, रेखीय अवकलन समीकरण. A differential equation whose order and degree both are 1 is called the linear differential equation. For example, dy by dx plus f of xy equal to 0. So highest order derivative d by dx, that is first order, and its power here 1. So it is a differential equation having 1 degree and 1 order. So it is the linear differential equation. This can be written another form, x square y dy plus del under root xy into this equal to 0. It is another form of the linear difference equation. Thank you.